Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Settings and navigating to Network and Internet, then Advanced Network Settings. This moves you straight into Windows Network controls. You need admin rights because the reset will remove adapters and change drivers. Make sure you saved Wi-Fi passwords or VPN settings first so you can reconnect. If wireless is flaky, plug an Ethernet cable to avoid interruptions. Once ready, click Network, Reset to start the automatic removal of adapters and restoration of default network components. Now you run the reset. Click Network Reset and choose Reset Now, then confirm the prompt. This instructs Windows to uninstall network adapters and clear custom settings. The system schedules an automatic restart. Do not interrupt power, so allow Windows to reboot and complete driver reinstallation. You may see temporary no internet status during the process. That's normal. After the restart, Windows reinstalls generic drivers. If you use VPN or specialized drivers, make sure to reinstall them so your custom connections return to proper function. Once Windows finishes restarting, reconnect to your Wi-Fi or plug Ethernet and enter credentials you saved. Make sure VPN or proxy settings are reapplied if required. To verify, open Command Prompt and run ipconfig/all, then ping 8 to confirm basic network reachability. This checks IP and DNS behavior. If you still have no connection, restart the router and check NIC drivers from the device maker. If problems persist, a quick tip is to run Windows Network Troubleshooter and note any error codes to guide the next step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.